Hi, thanks for joining us here today at Hunt Club Nissan. My name's Jason. Let's take a look at our Ram 1500 Outdoorsman. This vehicle features pretty much all the options you can get in Outdoorsman right there, including things like heated seats and steering, a rear camera, the upgraded screen system, blackout package, and more. So you'll notice right here you've got a nice set of halogen high beams and low beams, and then you got your front parking sensors just around your fog lights. You'll notice 20-inch black alloy wheels with disc brakes all the way around, the tire pressure monitoring system up above right here, integrated certain signals into your outside mirrors, and again you'll notice that you got nice tinted windows here as well too. A little bit of an upgrade to that exhaust there, nice little cute exhaust tip on it, and then as we move around to the back you'll see you've got your hitch and then your wiring harnesses all set up there as well too. Now as we open this up, you'll notice that you've got the spray and Bedliner system already all done for you, so again, you're never going to have to worry about any problems as far as damaging that or any rust, stuff like that building up, so it's going to be nice and durable. So we get over to the side right here, you can see you've got a great size to this vehicle as well too. Lots of space for both people and stuff. Now as we move on into the interior right here, driver's door, you'll notice you've got all of your window buttons, including your automatic down windows and up windows for both driver and passenger. You've got your folding mirrors right there. That's right, folding mirrors on this here Outdoorsman, which make it easy for you to get into tight parking spaces, and then your mirror adjusters all there. Next to the driver's steering wheel are all your light controls, including automatic headlights. And then down below, you can see you've got a nice 6-way adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support and great sport cloth seating upholstery on the interior. The rear of the vehicle looks much of the same as the front right there. You got a lot of those same interior accents as you can see, and then all of your beautiful look to the car. So we fold down the armrest right here. You can see you got your beautiful cup holders, and then of course as we move over you've got a 12-volt power plug and rear air louvers for rear passengers for added comfort. And we've got all the rubber mats for the vehicle, front and rear as well. Sitting behind your beautiful leather-wrapped steering wheel here now. On the left-hand side right here is going to be all of your information system and Bluetooth controls. Right-hand side over here is going to have all your cruise control functions. Audio controls are actually done by some buttons on the rear of the steering wheel, and then you can see all of your wipers are right there. To the left, it's going to be where all your light functions are, and you'll notice this has automatic headlights. Looking now at the gauge cluster right here, you'll notice you've got 30,459 kilometers on it, and this is the upgraded gauge cluster as well too, giving you a nice giant screen with which to get all of your information settings and all your stored messages and all your warnings and what music's playing and all that sort of fun stuff right there. Moving over into the entertainment area now, you'll notice you got a nice big touch screen right here, and then shifting the vehicle into reverse is going to bring up a backup camera for you. And it's even got directional lines to make it really easy for you to be able to back this truck up. Now, up on here, you'll notice that you've got AM and FM and Sirius XM satellite radio, as well as a media button right there, and you've got Bluetooth auxiliary inputs and 2 USB inputs. Climate control functions will take care of all of your interior climate controls, and you've got dual zone temperature controls for both driver and passenger. The Uconnect apps brings up a whole page of all the different things that you can create right here as far as shortcut icons, and then you have your control settings right here for all your buttons. You'll notice you get your backup camera settings, heated seat and steering wheel settings, and of course your automatic mirror dimmer settings there as well too. Phone brings up all your Bluetooth functions, and then right here you've got any additional settings you might need. Down below is going to be all of the interior controls right there, so you have your analog controls for your audio system up top. Down below some nice buttons for your temper controls and all of your heat adjuster controls, and then of course your fan speed. And then down below there your tow haul mode, your park distance control sensors, and your heated seat buttons are all right there. That's going to be what your shifter looks like. You're going to see right here. You'll also notice down below it's push buttons for all of your 2-wheel and 4-wheel locks, which make it really easy for you to get everything sorted out that way. Up above, that's going to be what your rear view mirror looks like. Just behind that, all of your interior lighting controls, and you can see you've even got the HomeLink sensors for your garage door opener system. And that's been a quick tour of our 2018 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman, available here today at Hunt Club Nissan. Our showroom's open 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 on Saturdays, and we're always available online at huntclubnissan.com. My name's Jason. Thanks for joining me here today, and we look forward to seeing you in the showroom soon.